In this example, we're going to be talking about scientific notation, and we're going to convert from standard form to scientific notation. So, what we need to know, whenever we convert the scientific notation, we need to have a number times 10 to the power, right? Now, this number can only be between 1 and 9. Can be smaller or larger. It has to be between 1 and 9. The exponents can be positive or negative, depending on from where you're going. So, right here, I'm going to first start by identifying where is my decimal point. In part A, where is my decimal point? I don't see it, so when I don't see it, it's always in the end. So it's right here. If I want to change this number to be between 1 and 9, I have to move to the left. How many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times, right? If I go more, it'll be less than 1. If I do 1 backwards, it'll be bigger than 9. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to start with 2.2 times 10 positive 8. You went this way, your decimal is positive. Okay? Now, why did I left this 2? You have to keep it. The only numbers that you can get rid of it are the zeros. Because whenever you go back and put it, empty spaces are zeros. But if you don't put this 2, when you go back and write it in standard form, you'll put it as a 0 because it's not there. So you have to leave the 2. So that's 2.2 times 10 to the 8th power in standard form. In part B, the first thing I need to do is identify my decimal point, and I see it right there. Now, the whole numbers are all the way over here on the right side. So I have to count until I have a number between 1 and 9. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I go any less, it'll be smaller. Any more will be bigger than 9. So that becomes 2.93 times 10 to the 6. Now, I went to the right side. What does that mean for my exponent? That the exponent is negative. So you see how you have this decimal number? Your exponent is going to be negative. When you have a whole number, your exponent is going to be positive. Those are your 2 answers for these examples.